All right, YouTube. We got another unboxing for you guys, man. TPOB Yetis. Yes, sir. This part right here is for all them nerds that care so much about the specs. Here you go. We're going to go ahead and get right into this, though. Yes, sir. Slice that open. Pull that back. Rip that off. Open the box, Chris B. Open the box, Chris B. Yes, sir. There you go. That's clean. You see the different colors? Laid in there, tucked in there real nice. What you about to do? What you do? Oh, whoa. Whoa. Yeah, straight out the wrapper. Clean. Pull that off. Wipe that down. Rip that off. There you go. We're ready to go. That's clean. You see the ergonomics? Beautiful. Nice clipper. Real nice clipper. Lever's real nice too. Here you go next to the apexes. Same size. Completely different weight. Completely different body. Different. There you go with the pink. Nice. Honestly, the black is my favorite. It looks the best, but the green just pops so much better on camera. So that's what we're going to go with today. We're going to keep that green on because it just looks better on camera. Comes with a charging dock, Type-C. It fits nice and snug in there. Boom. Beautiful. Trash. Garbage. Don't care. More trash. Let's get to work, man. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch this part and enjoy this part. And you guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments. Do these cut? Do you think you guys could get you a pair? Are you guys looking to get a pair? Or what you think about the cuts? It don't matter. Just leave a comment down below and you guys enjoy. I'll be back at the end of the haircuts to voice my opinion on these. All right, well, the answer that clearly we all are here for is, do they cut? Yes, they do cut. They cut very well, actually. Very surprised on how well these things cut. I'm not gonna lie. I actually like these more than I expected to. I didn't think they were gonna work anywhere near as good as they do, especially for the price that I got them for. I actually found them on sale. TPOB put them on sale on Amazon for a short period of time. I ended up getting them for $50. For these things, especially me being a clipper head and buying all the premium clippers for $280, $300 and some dollars. Going from those and using those, testing those out, to spending $50 on a clipper, there's no way I thought that these were gonna be able to compete, but these things did a great job. As you can see in the video, they chopped hair, they lawn mowed hair, they fade very, very well. I was able to use the guard system. The guard system reminds me of the wall guard system. Being able to use the TPOB neon green guard system, just like the wall guard. So people out there that are timid about switching over guard systems, well, if you are into the wall guard system as heavy as I am, they roll right into the wall guard system. It's the exact same thing. The only complaints I have, the damage on the clipper, on the thumb grip. I did not drop them. I only used them literally for only 3 haircuts, which are the 3 haircuts that were in the video. Just putting them in the drawer, picking them up out of the drawer. Didn't even realize it. 3 haircuts later, there's already a chip, there's already a crack in the clipper. One thing to counter that negative is they do come with multiple different thumb grips and multiple different color housings, as you saw, the green, the black, and the pink. It ain't nothing but to just replace this thumb grip and keep it moving. Not a big deal. Have no idea where the bullet hole came from, but it is there. Another negative that I can say is, fortunately, these do come with a stand, but a lot of the clippers don't come with stands. So not being able to set a clipper on the stand or forgetting to set a clipper on the stand, you usually will plug it in and just use it as a corded clipper. These do not do that. If it is plugged in, it does not turn on. They have to be fully charged or have some type of charge in them to be able to use them. They are only useful wireless. Would I recommend this brand to upcoming barbers? All day, man. Any upcoming barbers is looking for these, they already are a discounted clipper. TPOB is already a discounted brand. And if you follow them, you keep up to date with them, they put a discount on top of the discount, which is what I have here today. A clipper that is originally $100, I got for only $50. These compared to any premium brand out there, hey, as a barber that has been cutting for a while and been through a lot of clippers, these things are a go. And I would recommend them to any upcoming barber that's looking for a discounted clipper that's gonna do the job that these premium brands are doing. This is it. As you can see in the video, they chop hair, they lawn mow hair, they blend, they fade, they do coarse hair, they do straight hair, and no complaints. Will these be replacing anything on my station? Probably not, but they will be on my station because they detail very, very, very well. We all know as a barber, sometimes even your best clippers cannot hit that spot that you wanted to hit, and it requires more than one technique. These things do a good job of detailing, and I have used these behind my instincts, and I have used these behind my JRLs, and it got the job done. I don't know what it is about this magnetic motor, but these things detail very, very well. They're very forgiving. You know, with the instincts, you hit the hair, it's gone. You don't get a second chance. With these, very forgiving, and they crunch, they feedback, they blend very well. And man, yeah, if you can't get you a pair of these, honestly, the color, they're doing a great job over there, man. I love this neon green. It looks very beautiful on camera. It looks really good. It pops, it stands out when you're making a video. This is one of my favorite videos I've done so far because, man, putting this in front of the camera, beautiful. Paying for what you get, $50, I mean, you would expect it to fall apart and get damaged, but I've had these for over a week now. No real major damage besides the bullet hole in it. So honestly, get you one. If you can find them for the price that I got them for, snatch it up because they're definitely worth $50. Would they be worth $100? I would say so. If you're used to, especially if you're used to spending more than $100 on clipper anyways. $100, not a problem. $80 something, not a problem. Package that they come with, multiple different options for a very, very low price. You can't beat it. Other than that, Let me know what other clippers that you guys would like me to test out from any brand, honestly. TPOB especially, JRL, Bablis, anything that you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments what you guys liked about the video, what you didn't like about the video, and yeah, I love the feedback. And looking forward to it, man. See you guys on the next one. Peace.